You can open it now. All right, hi.
Funny. I was watching a SDF movie when you interrupted me very rudely.
Sorry. Hey guys. Where am I? Ah!
Whoa, what?
Hey, you're Phoenix Fairy, right?
Right, I know.
Oh no, the lava! Ah. Are we gonna die? Alright. Oh no. Ah. I'm gonna press the button.
No, wait for me.
Wait, he did it.
Next to a banana!
How do you know that?
I've seen that line.
Oh no. What's
What is
this? Oh, it's running! That means the path will disappear, I think. Oh, yes, it is! Ah! The running path will disappear!
It's not really disappearing.
Ah! I died! Okay, I fell. Let me watch you guys. Trying to make LOL. Oh my gosh, they're actually drawing a picture. It looks like a cup. It actually looks like a pumpkin face. Like the little thing and like that.
Yay, I survived!
My turn to press the button. I pressed it. What have I done? Run out here, run out.
Where?
Behind the building, quickly. Oh no, you're gonna die. I died. Ah, we all died. Okay, oh. Whoa.
Wait!
Did you press the button?
Yes. Hey guys, we got my new camera. Oh wait, this is your camera? Is this Earthbound music?
Yeah. No, it's I don't know what to call it again. Let me press it. This girl's blocking my way because she's an idiot. All right. Yeah, I pressed it. What the? Ah! It's dog. It's dog. Doggy, doggy. Get on top of him.
Why?
I like dog. Dog.
Press. I did it.
What did you do?
I don't want to run over my train.
I like trains. I got ran over.
Why am I the I like trains, kids?
I said I like trains and I just got. Kylie is me. Who?
Marie's texting me.
Okay.
Can I please talk with her?
No. We need to play.
Get up here.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
Not again!
No.
Dog! Hey, I'm gonna get going! Dog, get on top of him!
Where are my legs?
Let me press it.
Where are my knees?
Ah! I pressed it!
Press.
I almost pressed it when I'm
Press
dead.
it.
You click it.
I did.
Oh no, the button.
What?
Oh, this is what happened to Funny. She just posted this to YouTube like right now ago. I heard it by text because I got the notification. I got a text about don't get rid of, so she uploaded it like right now ago. That's why I'm playing this. Mine. No.
It's the most beautiful thing I've
No.
seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Kiss.
Great.
Where's the button? I don't like it. Why have we had a shot? Is that the Minecraft sound?
No, that's Mario, dude.
It's Bodie! I fall. What? Slut, crack, clap, slap.
I didn't get any questions wrong. Let me alone.
I think this is supposed to be chill like Flamingo. Hey, look! My video's finally at home! Wait, what the heck? I pressed it. Get in the back of here. Get in. Follow me. Now go.
I can't get up. I can't get up. It won't let me go.
Just jump. No! Ah!
Dang it!
No! I don't like this. What? Fix.
Oh, poor dude.
Now that's a victory royale.
It's an army!
It's probably the easiest zombie in the world. No, why is my baby jump?
Oh no, not this one. Wow, I'm very good at this. Ah, no!
Oh, well, crap!
Crap. All right.
I died.
I pressed it. Oh no. Look, listen for the Minecraft sound if you found it. Never mind. Mine. Again? I almost fell. Don't go in that one.
Why?
That one's hard.
It's not hard. It's the same thing.
No. Oh. No. I'm gonna press it. I got it. Whoa! No! Not this game. This game is horrible. I don't like this game like this. Have you played this game? It's like, yeah, like it gets louder and louder and you go faster and your screen gets brighter. I fell over the world. What?
Ha! You can't gas blast me.
I just saw the blue thing right out. Hey, how did we die?
Oh crap, it's getting faster. Yeah.
How did I die? How did I die?
I survived it.
No.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
I slammed you right in the face. Victory Royale.
Now that's a victory royale.
Oh no.
Sorry, I actually.
You jump, it doesn't do anything. This is just making one in your mouth.
What are you even making? Me. Yeah, I pressed it. No! I died because I pressed it. Not this! Should I play a different game? Go on the left side. No.
I almost died.
I died. What? Ah! No! No!
Stay here and fine.
Stand next to the button.
Stand on the button. It's all fine.
I got it. Run. Got it again. Run! Again. Wait, why does she keep saying? Oh! Hey! Phoenix Fury is my sissy!
Right?
You said why? I don't know. Who's gonna press it again?
I have cheeseburger, please.
I got it.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Cheeseburger. 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 Cheeseburger.
Now that's a victory royale.
I'm bored of this game. I'm a fox.
No!
Haha.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
I pressed it.
Cheeseburger, please.
Come on. Over here. Jump on the rock and then climb the ladder. She can't get up. Yes, I got up.
Yes!
Look out! Did you suicide yourself? This guy suicided himself. Oh. Got it.
Wait, I'm inside the building. Ah!
Haha! No! I can't get up! Ah! Phew! You died! I can see your body. Wait. You're in here. Oh. Okay, this is my sister. Yeah. Phoenix Fury. I'm inside a building. Did you hear the Minecraft sound? I got it. Whoa. The lava! Lava! No!
I died.
Only she. That's the only person that's trying to survive. Oh, she fell. Whoa. No one died. Oh, except for her.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Hey! Got it.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Yes! I'm getting up. Let's look at getting up. No! How do you earn a moose? Did you saw me? Did you saw me? How am I doing this? Should I play a different game? It's kind of boring. Airplane 2! Whoa, I'm just gonna follow it, that's all. Airplane 2 is out. Woo! I'm just gonna follow it, that's all. Mine. And you saw my secret hair! Hey! You cannot pass!
Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, slap, slap.
Look at her face!
Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, clap, clap.
My goodness. Stop being MLG. Alright. I got them alright.
What is this?
That's a lot of damage.
Taya. No! You saw my secret hair! No! No! secret hair again. Alright. Slap, slap, slap. Ines, wait, look at my screen. Look at my screen.
Slap, 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 clap, clap, clap. Slap, 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 clap, clap, clap. Slap, 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 clap,
Help me!
slap, slap, slap,
Clap, clap, clap. Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap. No!
slap, clap, clap.
You blew my mind. Ah, it's Mr. Baldy.
I like singing. No, I like dancing.
I like trains. And then I got ran over by a train. Wow. Ah! Are you on there? I saw you on that rock. How did you get on there? Did you saw me flew again?
I didn't die and I pressed the button.
Do you see me? Hi. Ah! Did you die? Okay, watch me fleeing again, okay?
Okay.
Oh, I didn't flee this time. Alright. I like singing. I like dancing. I like trains. I said I like trains, so yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Ah! Ah! No! Woo! I almost died.
I don't want to play.
Alright, guys. Alright, go. I hope you guys joined the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like down below. And goodbye. Say goodbye. But first, one more thing. My sister's not here anymore, so. Make sure to hit the like button down below. And